Hey guys, it's Heaven. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the Printhead from R3000. First, we free the Printhead carriage. Find this hole with arrow and get a Phillips screwdriver. Turn it counterclockwise and your Printhead carriage will be freed. We have a metal plate which is called a CR support plate, and then we have two FFC cables goes to the CR relay board. We detach the FFC cables and then unscrew the 4 screws around the support plate. And now the plate is loose, so we can unscrew the 2 screws that's on the relay board and remove the CR support plate. Now for the ink selector, it's important to know which screw to remove, which one is not. So we remove this screw from the right and this screw from the left. Now use both hands, jiggle a little bit and lift straight up. I'll have another video show you how to service this, but today we focus on remove the Printhead. We remove the mounting plate first. Oh, by the way, those are special Printhead screws. If you lose them, you have to find it at the BCH Technologies.com, and it's going to cost you. Then we remove all the screws around it, and then use your both hands to lift the Printhead straight up. For the FFS cables, you try to slide your finger to the middle and then pull it evenly straight out. And when you insert it, same thing, put your finger in the middle. Next video, we're going to unclock this here clocked Printhead, and you can see the yellow color is pigment. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Visit us at bchtechnologies.com or locally at Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers!